Best-in-class blending performance to make you strong inside. Silky Smooth Blends, innovative 12-rib vessel design for increased turbulence and ice-crushing efficiency coupled with a 1-minute blend program with intervals allows you to make creamy blends. Meticulously designed, we considered how each component could be improved to increase longevity and reduce vibrations and noise. A blade with a brain, it monitors the blade speed, making consistent adjustments to maintain speed and torque, as well as internal temperature to avoid overheating and blending of hot liquids. Take your blend to go, simply screw on the drinking lid plus carry cap to any of our blending vessels to take them wherever your day takes you. Top reviews from the United States. Super convenient for smooth smoothies. This replaced a full-size blender. Was looking for a personal-sized blender for convenience. The beast is relatively quiet compared to others, so it's a joy to use. I also tried the latest Ninjas, which are high performance but super loud, and cheap feeling. The beast provides a high-quality experience with design and performance. It blends perfectly smooth every time. Just load the ingredients in the right order and give it a shake before blending. I do protein powder smoothies with almond milk, frozen fruit, kale, oats. I drink right from the blend cup, nothing else to clean. Cleaning is no problem. I usually let it soak in soapy hot water and then use a brush. Just what I was looking for.